found in cool, damp, moist, and shady places. 2. The plant body is a sporophyte and is differentiated into true root, stem, and leaves. 3. The root system is of adventitious type. 4. The stem may be aerial or rhizomatous. 5. The organs possess well-differentiated vascular tissues.
The leaves are small, microphyls, as in Selaginella, or large macrophyls, as in ferns.
7. The sporophytes bear sporangia that are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophylls. The sporophyll may form distinct compact structure called stobili or cones, Selaginella, equestum. 8. The sporangia produces spores which produce free, living photosynthetic, thalloid gametophytes called prothallus. The gametophyte bear sex organs called antheridia and archegonia. 9. Water is essential for transfer of antherozoids. The male gametes released from antheridia to the mouth of archegonia. 10. Fusion of male gamete with the egg present in the archegonium result in the formation of zygote. Zygote produces sporophyte, which is dominant phase. 11. In pteridophytes, of all the spores are of similar kind. They are called homosporous. Gymnosperms are seed-bearing plants. Gymnus means naked. Sperma means seed. The ovules are not exposed by ovary wall and remain exposed. Thus, they occupy intermediate position between pteridophytes and angiosperms. Gymnosperms are the primitive seed plants. Gymnosperms are characterized by the following features.
1. Most of the genera are entirely extinct and only few are living. 2. Generally, the gymnosperms are xerophytes. 3. They are predominantly woody plants. Few are climbers. 4. The sporophytic plant is evergreen. The tallest living gymnosperms is Sequoia.
5. The roots are generally tap roots. Roots in some genera have fungal association in the form of mycorrhiza, pinus, while in cycas,
the roots are called coralloid roots and associated with N2-fixing cyanobacteria.
6. The stems are unbranched, cycas, branched, pinus. 7. The leaves may be simple or compound, cycas, pinnate leaves. The leaves are well adapted to withstand extremes of temperature, humidity, and wind. Conifers, needle-like leaves reduce the surface area. Thick cuticle and sunken stomata reduce water loss. 8. Gymnosperms are heteroporous. They produce haploid microspores and megaspores. Angiosperms constitute highly advanced plants which dominate the present vegetation. As the name indicates, in angiosperms, the ovules and seeds are enclosed in a sac-like structure called ovary, fruit, angio, sac, sperma means seed.
Flowers are unique to the angiosperms. The development of flowers has been associated with the evolution of complex mechanisms for pollen transfer and seed dispersal. Angiosperms has two groups, monocots and dicots. Monocots have only one seed leaf inside the seed coat, while dicots have two seed leaves inside the seed coat. The leaves of monocots are often long and narrow, with their veins in straight lines running up and down the leaf. This is also known as parallel venation. Leaves of dicots come in many different shapes and sizes. Their veins go from the central midrib to the edge of the leaf, crossing and joining to form a netted pattern all over the leaf, which is known as reticulate venation. Our parts in case of monocots are always in multiples of 3, while in dicots they are in multiples of 4 or 5.